In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Conditional formatting changes how cells look based on what's in them or in other cells, helping you see patterns and trends in your data better. So for our example data right here, we have a sales report from a camera company that sells different types of products. Now we want to highlight how many tripods have been sold in this sales report. So what we're going to do is to select the range where we want to apply the conditional formatting, go to Format in our menu bar, and select Conditional Formatting. And on the right side, you'll see the panel that says Conditional Format Rules. You'll have your range, your rules, and your formatting style. So we've already selected our range. Now for the format rules, if you click on the arrow down, you'll see the different choices that you can apply to your range. What we're going to do is to select text is exactly tripod. So again, we're trying to see how many tripods have been purchased in this sales report. And there you have it. It's already been highlighted. Now you can edit the formatting style, maybe put it in bold, and maybe change the text color to a darker red, and also change the fill color to, let's say, a lighter blue. When you're finished, just click on Done, and there you have it. So you have applied conditional format rules on this range, highlighting the tripods that have been sold in this report. Let's try that again with our quantity. Select your range, go to the right side where you can see Add Another Rule. If you click on that, we can apply another rule on this range that we've just selected. So let's go to our format rules. Let's say we want to know how many purchases were equal to 150 and over. So let's select our format rule to greater than or equal to. Put in our value, which is 150. And it's already been highlighted. Now we can just again edit the formatting style, maybe put it in italic, and just change the fill color to yellow. Click on Done, and there you have it. So again, conditional formatting helps you see trends and patterns into your data so that you can study them better. So let's do that one last time and highlight how many 10% discounts we've given away in this report. So select your range, add another rule, select is equal to, then put in your value, edit your formatting style, and click on Done. And if you select the entire range, you will see all the formatting rules that have been applied to your data. And if you want to delete some of these rules, all you have to do is to just click on this trash bin icon right here. And that's how to add conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.